Hi, I'm Johan from Photonic Solar Solutions. I'm here today to talk to you about the brand new SolarEdge Smart Panels. Now, I'm a recent convert to these panels, and I must say I'm really impressed by the benefits they offer me in my installations by making them faster and more efficient. First, the cable management system is fantastic. It's so easy to install these panels. All you'd have to do is place the panel and plug in the cable. With the cable management already in place, one person can easily lay a panel on their own. And the integrated optimizer saves a tremendous amount of time. There is no need to rail mount these optimizers, and you do not have to think about the power rating because they are already matched. The QR code on the front of the panel is wonderful. Scan, simple as that. It makes life easier with the site mapper feature. There is no need to do site mapping or planning beforehand. Just lay the panels and do the mapping later. It eliminates those "oh no, I forgot to scan the optimizer" moments. Having the panel wiring pre-clipped and all the same makes it easy to design arrays. On these panels, the male connectors are all on the right side of the panel when facing the panel from the front. Therefore, when you're running your return cables on your rails, I like to use the saying, female's always right. Remember boys, we're talking about connectors here. If you go about that way, you can't go wrong. It works out every time. All of these features reduce installation time and costs. There is no need to mount optimizers separately, and mapping the physical site layout on the monitoring platform is faster, with only one serial number that is easily scanned on the front of the panel. The streamlined logistics on these panels are also fantastic. There are fewer parts to order, which makes servicing easy, and a single product warranty. By adding smart panels to SolarEdge's existing residential offer, installers need just one solution provider for all their PV needs. So, as you can see, the benefits to the SolarEdge Smart Panels are quite clear. They keep on taking advantage of SolarEdge's key system benefits: more energy output, advanced safety features, design flexibility, and panel level performance monitoring. And now, with the ease of installation, they are quickly becoming my go-to solar panel, as I can easily save 2 to 3 hours per installation, which in this labour market is quite critical.